Hello everyone. Today's simple and economical meal features just one shrimp. Fried shrimp in a pan. Seasoned with salt and green onions. A bowl of white rice. Served with shrimp, delicious. Isn't it? Please support my channel.